finished up the exhaust on the BMW with the N54 motor where we did a single turbo swap. So I wanted to show you how I did that so you can get a good idea if you are planning on using the SPA manifold on how to route the exhaust system. I'm actually pretty surprised we were able to put the cat back in there. We used an aftermarket high flow cat, and then we put the 2 oxygen sensors downstream, and we didn't have to have any extension of the oxygen sensors. It worked out pretty well. So check out my handiwork of how I made the exhaust system for this 335xi. It's really tight where the turbo is close to the motor mount. So the way we had to install the exhaust pipe on the turbo was that we had to put the exhaust pipe with the V-band flange on first, then install the motor mount. It's so tight that you can't take the V-band clamp off with the motor mount on, which means we can't remove that pipe with the motor mount on. The wastegate dump fit really well. We had to bend the pipe a little bit just to get it to fit in there, but I was really impressed with how that turned out. Here's a look from underneath on Ian's car. If you didn't see the previous videos, this is a BMW 335xi. We're doing a single turbo on it. So here's the wastegate. It's a 44 millimeter external dump. And then the turbo we're using is a 67 GT35R that we custom made. I designed both the wheels for this turbo. It should be good for around 950 to 1,000 horsepower, depending which turbine housing is used on this. Here's how he did the drain. I don't think that's really going to work, but I don't know. We'll see. Here's the downpipe that I made. We got some pipe off of eBay. Then we made a flange for the downpipe that connects to that turbo. I don't think there's a flange that you can buy, so I just machined one. This will sit about right here. So you got the dump right here. And the subframe will come up and bolt right there. So we got enough room for that clearance. If you see these rubber hoses, those are coolant. The bottom one with the hose clamp, that's the oil drain. The clutch isn't holding. It just didn't really feel that fast. I put it on the... Huh? Oh yeah, I guess you don't have a boost gauge.